welcome back to Gapey's AeroGarden. It's been exactly 1 week since I started the AeroGarden and I wanted to give you a little 1 week update. We do have some growth here. That is the chervil. We'll take the dome off so you can get a better look. So this is seed that I started from my own seed stash. It's not one that came with the unit. I think I may have planted a few too many seeds, so I might thin some of those out, because I had what looks like a pretty good germination rate. The only other one that's really up is the thyme. This one did come with the AeroGarden. We've got several little seedlings there, as you can see. So I might end up having to thin those out as well. Now I do have one more, the garlic chives here. You can see a little bit of green picking out. You can just barely see the tip. See if I can get a better look. There you go. See that little bit of green sticking out? So hopefully by tomorrow that will be all the way out and we'll have another herb to take a look at. It seems like once they start coming out, they just really grow like crazy. This chervil, it germinated about 2 days ago. It just was barely peeking out, and it's just really grown a lot in the last 2 days. And I'm not seeing anything in any of these other pods. There's just nothing growing yet. Almost all of these had a 7 to 10 day germination. So hopefully we'll see some more soon. And if not, then we'll just start something else. So that's it for this quick 1 week update. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be giving another update again soon. Thanks for watching.